my exhaust is missing one of these guys, so I'm going to show you where it is and why it's important to have it on. This specific piece is used to attach the downpipe right there, which attaches to your exhaust manifold right here. And what it does is it holds the downpipe to the side of the transmission. Let's see if I can get it. It's right, there's a better angle. It's right there holding onto the downpipe. It's just this little kind of leaf-like thing that's coming off the transmission. Alright, so let's start by getting this guy around. Be sure to let the truck cool down first. That way these pipes aren't piping hot. Pun intended. Ridiculous. You can see it's a little difficult. You might want to get into a spot where it's easy to access the bolt. I think right there is kind of nice. Alright, so let's see if I can somehow do this with one hand. Oh, crap. Okay. Alright, now using, in my case, 14 millimeter. I got this guy over at AutoZone. If you're wondering what size it is, this is a 1 3/4 inch, an '88 Toyota pickup. And I'm gonna tighten this guy down. A little bit at a time on each side. That's good. Now let me explain why this is important. So the reason why this is so important is because if that part is free to move around too much, it can kind of loosen itself up from the exhaust manifold right here, creating a slight exhaust leak. Not the greatest thing for fuel efficiency or performance, so you want to prevent an exhaust leak, the best you can, and this one is definitely preventable. So now that that's stationary in place, what I can do is tighten these bolts down because it got a little bit loose, stop that exhaust leak from happening.